Hey Amazon sellers, in this video you will learn what in my eyes the best Amazon product images are. I will be critiquing listings that I dislike and showing you listings that I believe are good so you can 1. Copy images that are working and 2. Understand the reason behind good images. So without further ado, let's get into some listings. Starting this Amazon listing critique series with a water flosser and toothbrush combo. Most important thing first. The main image. As we all know, this image influences your ranking and sales the most. As we can see, the goal Fairy Wheel probably has is to tell the customers what you get with this product. I see 4 brush heads, 4 different tips, a toothbrush, a water flosser, the packaging. To sum it all up, there's a lot. And in my eyes, this is not the image you want to have as your first image. It's too much. If we look at the market, we can see that there are similar listings that do the same. They are cluttering all the items that are included into the main image. But if we look further, there are also some clean looking main images in this niche. Let's see what Jungle Scout says. Now, if we sort this by revenue, we can see that the 7 listings that are selling the most do not have any clutter in the main image, like the one we're analyzing. After those listings, there are a bunch of listings like the one we are analyzing that have all the items that are included in the main image. I will not say it's bad to include all the items in the main image. However, I will say I dislike having too much. But for bundles, that's another story. And this product is kinda a bundle, so I accept the decision. Although I think the packaging could be shot way better. Jumping to the second image, we can see a lifestyle image. Parts that I like are the composition, the added attributes like the part of the plant in the top right, which if I look at it could be more in the background than it is right now. It's a bit cut off in my opinion, but it's still a good attribute to add in. On the other side, a bad part of this lifestyle image is the dirt that you can see on the flosser. I can see fingerprints all over and the nasty light what makes the inside of the product visible. That's not good. Also, I would recommend making the logo more visible. As you can see, it's kinda out of focus. You make it more visible and popping out by using composition in post-production, where you add multiple images together to make one image that is perfect. It's a bit hard to understand if you're not a photographer yourself. But what you do is you shoot sometimes up to 5 images and light the best part of the product and add them together in post. I have one video on my channel that shows exactly the process I take in post-production. It's a time-lapse video. The third image is the one I like the most. It's an infographic featured image. This image provides benefits of the product and shows solutions to problems the market is facing. You can see the seller wants to show the personalized modes. I hope the seller that made this listing has done the research to find out the problems this niche is facing, and that this personalized modes is a problem that this niche has, or at least that customers are looking for this. Image number 4 is again an infographic featured image. I also like this one. What is nice about it is the color they choose for the icons. It is the same color as the ring around the power button, as you can see. This might seem like a small little detail, but small things like this really make a big difference. So again, they show a problem the niche is facing and explaining how this product helps with that problem. It's a solution rather. Jumping to image number 5, it's what I call a manipulation lifestyle image, which means the product is added in with Photoshop to a stock image. That's not bad or anything. However, the person that made this did a poor job in my eyes. The product has no depth or shadows added to it. So you can tell within 2 seconds of looking at the image that it is photoshopped. That's not good. Also, I have no idea what the goal is with this image. The text above makes no sense to me. The only good part of this listing is that they chose a young woman with a good smile. Okay, now image number 6, an infographic featured image. It's a bit of the same image as image number 3. I don't think this adds too much value after using the same personalized idea as in image 3. I would have loved to see another lifestyle image where the product is actually being used by someone. Maybe even use an older man and target a broader audience, or a child if you want to go that route. What you have to understand about models is that it's very important what model you use. If you're targeting, let's say, seniors, then using a model of a young woman will not be ideal. And sometimes we want to target men and women from different ages, so we need multiple models to fill in that audience. Okay, last image, number 7. I do like this one. I guess having a larger water tank is a good solution to a problem in this niche. So I feel like this might be a reason you would want to buy this product, which is good for product images. That's what you want. And overall, they use the same colors, fonts and backgrounds to the image, which is very good. To sum it all up, I would definitely play with the main image some more. I think this one can be way better. Split test the results and see what works. I do think they did a good job on differentiating the product from the competition by bundling it with a toothbrush. Okay, let's do one more listing. This time I choose a bad one, a listing that I don't like, and I will tell you why I don't like it. The product we're going to look at is this pillbox organizer. Jingle Scout says it's selling around 600 units per month, which is decent, especially if we consider the images that they use. The only good part of the main image is that it uses all the space. Further, I can't say anything good about it. First off, the lighting is really bad. This makes the product look cheap. You can even see that some of the printed text is blurry and out of focus. What you can see is the focus is on the 2 red pills, which makes no sense. But this probably happened because the person had no idea how to focus the camera or how to use a camera. Another thing is the product is empty. I'm not sure why you would want to show it empty. I recommend adding in complementary items to make it stand out. Image number 2. Yeah. First thing that comes to my mind is how cheap it looks again. The product is again out of focus, graphics looks bad, and it has some text at the bottom right that has literally no purpose. It just is another reason you don't want to buy this. It's way better to leave that out. Image number 3, one that I like a bit more but still is not good. It's a lifestyle image with a hand model. I would have liked to see a face with the product. Also, the table is dirty. The nails of the hand model are not clean. There's a book in the background which is placed in an awkward way. And the container is empty again. Just so many negative things that makes the listing so much worse. And all these negative things add up and they make the product listing bad. Next image is a lifestyle hand model image. This image has no clear goal and is again empty. There's even some bad graphics and text added to the top left. But the English is not correct and makes no sense. I now get the feeling it's even Chinese crap. Yeah, we can go over the last 3 images, but again, they have no clear way to go about it. None of the images show the container with all the pills added to it. All of them are out of focus, has bad lighting, and a bunch of text that I'm not even gonna read. If I was gonna read something that long, I would go to the bullet points or description. And if you look at that, it even has less text than the text in the images. The date first available was April 2019, which I was not expecting. I was expecting this listing to be very old as it has some decent reviews. But after looking at Jingle Scout historical sales, I would say the reviews are manipulated. Surprise, surprise. So that's basically it for this listing and this video. I hope you liked the product images breakdown series and you're interested in what I call perfect product listing, then you might want to check out the service I provide. If you don't know me, I'm a photographer myself who specializes in Amazon FBA product images, and I help Amazon sellers with their product photography. So if you want to work with me on creating your perfect product listing, click the first link below. You can schedule a call with me or check out one of the packages right from the website. Thank you very much for watching. We will speak soon.